something to give your geeky sweetie for Valentine's Day? Well, I got you. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can change one of those boring old chocolate heart boxes that you get at the store into an 8-bit chocolate heart box. It's a super easy transformation with cardstock and a glue stick. So, let's get started.
For this project, you're going to need a heart-shaped chocolate box that you can buy at the store. I got this cute one from Dollar Tree. This is a small size. You can make this with any sized heart box that you want, but for this one, I'm making the small size. I have a printable template for you guys linked down below. This template works for the Dollar Tree chocolates, and there's also a second template in there for a larger chocolate box that I got at Target that's a Russell Stouffer. So they pretty much work with any size that you want. You just might have to adjust to fix your box size. Then you're going to need some cardstock paper in red, white, and black. I went to Michael's and I found this sparkly cardstock and I couldn't resist getting it, so I recommend this. Then you're going to take your template and you're going to cut out the heart. I just used a pair of scissors. You can use an X-Acto knife, whatever works best for you. Then you're going to take your cutout heart and you're going to tape it to the back of the red cardstock. This just makes it easier to cut out. You don't have to tape it if you don't want to, but it stays in place better that way. Then you're just going to cut this out with a pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife. Once you have it all cut out, you're just going to remove the template piece with the tape from the back. Then you're going to get your piece of a black cardstock and you're going to flip it upside down and you're going to cut out the pieces in the template that are marked black squares. I found that it's easier to use a template to make sure you have your squares all the same size, but if you didn't want to use this printout, you could make them 0.75 by 0.75 inches and that will get you the same square size. And you're just going to use this template exactly like the last one. You're going to tape it onto the back of the cardstock and then cut it out. After you have them all cut out, you're just going to take off the template and taped pieces from the back, and then you should have your perfect squares. Then you're going to grab your white cardstock and you're going to use the last 3 squares from the template and do the same exact thing. Tape it to the back and then cut them out and then remove the back template and tape. Now it's time to assemble. Grab a glue stick, or you can also use hot glue if you want. I used a glue stick, just was easier. And you're going to grab your black squares and you're going to glue them around the edge of the heart. On the template, there's a picture of what it should look like in the end if you get confused on where the pieces need to go. But basically, they just fit into the square pieces along the edges. When you have all of the black squares glued on, we're going to glue on our white pieces. This is going to go in the corner to add a little sparkle note to it. I put the first white square 2 squares down and 2 squares over from the corner. It will make more sense if you look at the template, and that way you can see exactly where it needs to go. And we have our heart created, so let's go put this on our box. Just grab a hot glue gun and put a bunch of hot glue on top of your chocolate box. Then you're just going to hot glue your heart to the top of the chocolate box. You'll see there's a little bit sticking out at the top of the heart. That's okay, we're going to take care of that. Make sure that you press down on the heart so that all the pieces will be glued evenly. Once it's all dry, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut out the extra piece of cardboard that sticks out. The middle bit is a little bit hard to get out, so I had to grab my X-Acto knife and kind of finagle with it. You might be able to do this easier than I did, but all you need is just make sure that you can't see that extra little bit. And once we have that cut off, we have our super cute 8-bit heart chocolate container, and it's so cute. I just love it so much. Whoever you give this to is going to love it.
I absolutely love this so much, and I am obsessed with this glittery cardstock. Not only are these so super cute, but when the chocolate's all gone, they make perfect nerdy decor that you can fill with your favorite treats for a little sneaky snack. If you like this video, click right over here for some more Valentine's Day projects and inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week for another DIY project where we get crafty and nerd out.